guys, tapos na po ang ating ginagawa. Titistingin natin, tingnan nyo. Okay, so nakakabit na po siya, starter button, yan, at yung switch dito na. So subukan natin. Okay, switch on, ready to take off, ignition on, start engine. Okay, press the brake, switch on the park light, start engine. Alright, so ignition off, engine off, ignition off, off engine, and off switch. So that's it. So yan, nasubukan na po natin ang ating wirings at nakita nyo convincing sa gustong kumupya ng ating diagram. Ito yung ating diagram ng ating ginawang anti-thief. So yan po siya. So ito, dalawang toggle switch, dalawang relay at start stop button, and ito yung starter motor. So if you like, PM me at bibigyan kita ng diagram, proper diagram. God bless. Don't forget to follow my page.